Let's discover other interesting adjectives in Saumur. On dit intéressant. Just look at the Loire River. The adjective corresponding to the word Loire is ligérien. And I'm taking you tonight to the unforgettable, inoubliable evening called La Grande Tablée. It's a yearly event, un événement annuel, with up to 3,000 people each night over 2 evenings. The tablée is when people gather around the table for a nice meal. And now, look at the aerial hot air balloon, la montgolfière aérienne, à Saumur, dans le ciel bleu azur, in a clear blue sky. Now you can admire another hot air balloon during the summer season. La saison estivale. Estival is the adjective corresponding to the noun summer. Summer in Saumur is very convivial. Convivial, especially with the Saumur Champigny red wine AOC, l'appellation d'origine contrôlée du Saumur Champigny. And what about these summer flowers, les fleurs estivales, those summer guests, ces invités estivaux? A massive gathering around tables led with red and white checkered tablecloths, les nappes rouges et blanches à carreaux, so emblematic of France, si emblématique de la France. Yes, we've already been here at the Panorama in Fontevraud, but it was in the spring and we are in the summer, la saison estivale, and you can see Fontevraud Abbey in the background. Well, the objective of this video is to use adjectives, utiliser les adjectifs, to be more precise and to better speak French, parler mieux français. So Fontevraud Abbey is also very famous, très célèbre, because the kings of England, and not the least well-known, pas les moins connus, Eleanor of Aquitaine, Henry II Plantagenet, Richard the Lionheart, are buried in the Abbey Church, sont enterrés dans l'abbatiale. It's the largest, la plus grande abbey in Europe, and it was the largest monastic center. C'était le plus grand centre monastique from 1101 to the French Revolution. So it's very famous. C'est très célèbre, avec une... People come from all over everywhere in the region and also from around the world to visit this emblematic site emblématique du Val-de-Loire. You will have noticed I've been using a lot of adjectives: célèbre, royal, emblématique, merveilleux. Usually for sceneries and landscapes, we use spectaculaire. To the left of the Abbey Church, high spire, le clocher très haut de l'abbatiale, you can spot the 2 high towers of the Abbey Church. And if you look further to the left, I live there and my language school is there. There is the Lantern of the Dead, très pittoresque. Well, I really want you to develop your vocabulary bank, to be able to talk about your regions or the regions where you go to on holiday, en vacances. You are real francophiles, vous êtes de vrais francophiles. You may have a holiday home in France, une maison de vacances, or live here permanently, ou habiter ici. Commencez à dire, cette région est sensationnelle, this region is great, I have excellent times there. Offering you a free resource connected to this topic. To have access, click on the link in the description, video description. And please don't forget to like my Facebook page or to become fans of Parfums de France Language School or École de Langue. And to like my YouTube channel, and why not subscribe to it? Click on the little bell at the top right to be able to receive all my notifications, and I post free contents and advice videos, and you can of course join my paying courses, medium, small, very big, depending on whether you want a little bit of coaching, just a bit, or a lot more coaching. I'm Sylvie Reeves, and I'm very pleased to share the quality of life of Fontevraud-l'Abbaye in the Loire Valley with you. All the resources I have been posting are the result, the outcome of 35 years of experience, and I'm delighted to share them with you.